Most people think you need to deliver food or shop for groceries to make money with apps, but I've been making money from basically just walking into stores, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. I've been doing side hustles since Uber Eats and DoorDash first came around, and I love doing side hustles. I love working from apps, but deliveries could get kind of stressful. You have to wait for orders, you have to wait for customers, you have to make sure the food is good. Sometimes it doesn't work out so smoothly, sometimes it works out perfectly. But with these type of apps, they're really easy to fit into your schedule, fit into your day. You're probably already going into these stores already, so why not make some money? You're going to go to stores like supermarkets, CVS, Walgreens, Walmart, Sam's Club, probably places you already go to, and these are going to be in-store tasks. So most of them are going to require you taking different types of pictures, and now some of them are a little more involved. Some of them will take like 5 or 10 minutes to do, but others are like one or two pictures, and it's literally just like walking in and out of the store. So the apps that I'm using to do this, a couple have came and go over the years. Some used to be really good and now they're not there anymore, or they merged with other apps and aren't that good. So the app that I make the most on, and if you plan on doing this, this is the one that I would recommend, is going to be Field Agent. This one is very simple, really easy to use. You're going to see a map once you sign up, and then you'll see all these pins. One pin means 1 gig. If there's more pins, that means there's multiple jobs at the same store. And that's how you could really start making the money when stores are close by and stuff like this. So now once you see a pin, you could reserve it for 4 hours and it gives you some information. This one is 7-Eleven. You're just going to have to take some pictures of coolers and it only pays $4. But the thing is, in only a few mile radius, there's a bunch of them clustered together, and 7-Elevens are like on every block. And when there's a certain gig, it'll drop at every different 7-Eleven. So Field Agent is going to be a good one. You may try it, and some of them may be involved. It may take a long time. But once you've done this a couple times, it's literally just like walking through the aisles. I could take these pictures while I'm walking. Most modern iPhones, you could take the pictures while you're still walking. I get in and out. I keep it moving. And you could do a multiple of these in a day. Very common when it's busy to make $100, $125 in only like 5 to 6 hours of work. The next app is going to be a Mobi. This is another great app. This alone isn't going to make you that much money, but you could combine it with Field Agent because a lot of times at the same store there will be multiple gigs, and this one could be more seasonal. During holiday seasons, you'll see a lot of gigs on this app. So I would definitely recommend checking out the Mobi app. And if you're already doing food delivery, this works perfectly because a lot of the places are places that you're already going to pick up food. And then the last one is going to be Observa. This one is going to have far less gigs in your area, most likely, but the gigs are going to pay like 3 to 5 times the amount. So when they do drop, you can make some good money. This one pays $8 to do pretty much the same thing you would do on Field Agent for $4. It's just in the radius of where I live. I already did all the ones that were in my area, so they don't drop as often, but I have made some money with this one. So Observa is a great one. It's really easy. It's going to be like the same. Just don't start with the shelf managements. I would start with the audits. And how much can you expect to make when you combined all three of these apps? It really depends on how you're going to do it. One way to do it is if you plan on going to a couple stores, check the apps and you can make a couple extra dollars here and there. Or if you're like someone that does food delivery or those type of apps as like a side hustle, part-time job, or even your full-time gig, then you can reserve them. You could multi-app with all three of these apps and then maybe do some food delivery when it's a little slow in the apps. And then as the gigs drop down, you could log off of food delivery. That's what I end up doing most days. I'll start with food delivery and then I'll have enough gigs reserved so I could spend the rest of the day doing the gigs. And that's the way I like to work. So if you guys want to start making money with the Field Agent app, I'll leave my link down below and let me know if you have any questions.